So what's your name, sir?
My name is Donnie McAllister. Bought the car in about 1982, and I spent the next 5 years restoring it.
What type of car we got?
It's a 1949 Ford station wagon, and I bought the car for $2,500. And about $6,000 later, I had it on the road, and I drove it off and on for the next 20 years. About 10 years ago, I started restoring it for the second time, and I've recently upgraded the engine, transmission, brakes, front end, made it roadworthy, put air conditioning in it. That was a big thing, so now I can drive it in the summertime. And the reason for this car, I've been surfing my whole life, and I built this car to drive to the beach.
Okay.
And now that I've done that, and I have some time now, so now I like taking it to a few car shows, let people see it, because a lot of younger people have never seen one on the road before, and I don't want them to see it in a museum. I want them to see them on the street, and there's just not anybody driving Woodies on the street anymore, so that's my goal for the next 10 or 15 years until they take my driver's license away from me.
Right.
I plan on letting as many kids see it as possible.
All right.
So I let them climb in it, take pictures of looking at the back, and just have fun with it.
Are you originally from Texas?
Originally from Indiana. Yes, it is.
It's a very nice video.
Thank you. So I'm from Indiana. Originally came here in '62.
Okay. All right. You got a beautiful.
Look, they're there.
What year is this?
That's a 1949 Ford. Yeah, you're too young to. I remember them from my youth. But that's why I drive it, so people like you get a chance to see one.
Yeah.
This the first Woody you've seen?
I think so.
Perfect.
But
I did my job there.
I've always seen one with
Yeah.
it's really I want to cars.
But I want you to be able to go up and touch one and see it. So don't feel shy. If you want to sit in it, go right ahead. Because he drove this same model car to high school here in Texas City back in 1967. So he wanted to restore his, but it was too rusty because he went to high school in Texas City in 1967. But he had found this car in Bastrop and had intentions to build it. So he had collected all the wood, the parts, and everything to build it, but fell in love with a '68 Corvette. And he made a deal with his wife that he would, if he could have the Corvette, he would sell the Woodies and go to church with her on Sunday. So I got the Woody. I don't know if he ever made it to church, but I got the Woody.